Hey everyone, and welcome back. Feeling lost? Questioning yourself? Turns out, those uncomfortable feelings might be exactly what you need. Inspired by 101 S's that will change the way you think, this video reveals why discomfort can be your secret weapon for growth. Let's get started. First is reliving childhood struggles. This can be uncomfortable because it brings up past hurts. However, by acknowledging them, you are opening the door to healing. Imagine a wound that's been festering under a bandage. Discomfort when you remove the bandage is a sign it's finally getting the attention it needs to heal properly. Second is feeling lost. Feeling lost can be unsettling, but it can also be a sign that you are becoming more present in the moment and open to new possibilities. It's like being at a crossroads. You might not know which path to take yet, but that means you have the freedom to explore. Third is brain fog. When you are tapping into your creativity, you might experience some muddled thinking. This is because your brain is working hard to make new connections and come up with fresh ideas. It's like a computer overloading with data processing, a sign it's working hard on something important. Fourth is emotional outbursts. These outbursts can be a sign that bottled up emotions are finally coming to the surface. It can be messy, but acknowledging and processing these emotions is key to emotional well-being. Think of it like a pressure cooker releasing steam, uncomfortable but necessary to avoid an explosion. Fifth is sleep disruptions. Changes and intense emotions can take a toll on your body. Sleep disruptions might be a sign your body is working hard to adjust or process what's going on. Sixth is life-changing events. These events can be disruptive, but they also force you to adapt and grow in new directions. Imagine a caterpillar going through metamorphosis. It's a messy, uncomfortable process, but necessary to become a butterfly. Seventh is needing solitude. Taking time alone to recharge and refocus isn't isolating, it's essential for self-care. Think of it like a plant needing sunlight to grow. Solitude allows you to get the nourishment you need to thrive. Eighth is vivid dreams. These dreams can be unsettling, but they're often your subconscious mind working through important issues. Pay attention to the messages in your dreams, they might offer valuable insights. Ninth is downsizing your friend group. As you grow and evolve, your priorities change. Letting go of negative influences and focusing on positive ones is a sign of healthy growth. Imagine weeding a garden. You remove unwanted plants to make space for the flowers you want to grow. 10th is dreams collapsing. Sometimes dreams we hold onto no longer serve us. Their collapse can be uncomfortable, but it creates space for something better suited to who you are becoming. Imagine building a new house. You might have to tear down the old one first to make room. 11th is negative self-talk. Recognizing negative self-talk is a crucial first step to overcoming it. Once you're aware of it, you can challenge those thoughts and replace them with more positive ones. 12th is unsure of your identity. As you grow, you might question who you are and what you want. This can be uncomfortable, but it's also an opportunity to discover your authentic self. Imagine an artist starting a new painting. The canvas might be blank at first, but that's the starting point for creating something beautiful. 13th is recognizing your limitations. This shows self-awareness and allows you to set realistic goals. It's not about giving up, but about understanding your strengths and weaknesses to work smarter, not harder. 14th is intuition. That gut feeling you have might be picking up on important cues that your conscious mind might miss. Learning to listen to your intuition can help you make better decisions. 15th is speaking up for yourself. This is a sign that you are prioritizing self-respect and setting boundaries. It might be uncomfortable at first, but it's essential for healthy relationships and personal growth. 16th is taking responsibility for your happiness. Realizing that your happiness is up to you is empowering. This discomfort pushes you to take control and create the life you want. We explored a lot today, and hopefully, it sparked some reflection. Maybe you are experiencing some discomfort right now. If so, take a deep breath and see it as a challenge, an opportunity to grow and become the best version of yourself. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.